In today's digital first environment, organizations rely heavily on interconnected applications, cloud infrastructure, and real time data. As systems grow more complex, the ability to effectively collect, monitor, and analyze log data becomes crucial for maintaining performance, security, and reliability. That's where Sumo Logic comes in. Sumo Logic is a cloud native machine data analytics platform designed to help DevOps, IT, and security teams make faster, smarter decisions. It allows you to collect logs and metrics from virtually any data source, analyze them in real time, and turn them into actionable insights. Whether you're debugging application issues, monitoring system health, or responding to security threats, Sumo Logic offers the scalability and intelligence to support your team at every step. In this video, we'll explore how to use Sumo Logic effectively, highlight its key features that make it a standout tool, and explain why it remains one of the top platforms for unified log management and analytics in modern organizations. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the real time log collection and centralization. Sumo Logic collects data from a vast ecosystem, servers, containers, cloud services like AWS and Azure, firewalls, load balancers, mobile apps, and more. All log data is ingested into a secure cloud hosted platform where it's indexed and ready for analysis within seconds. This provides a centralized, real-time view of your entire tech stack, enabling teams to detect and resolve incidents faster while eliminating the inefficiencies of managing siloed tools. Another key feature is the advanced search, parsing, and query language. Sumo Logic features a powerful query engine that allows users to filter, parse, and analyze log data with precision. You can use operators to correlate events across time, identify anomalies, or trace root causes. The platform includes smart features like log reduce, which automatically summarizes patterns in noisy log streams. This empowers teams to quickly get to the heart of any issue, making root cause analysis, anomaly detection, and event correlation dramatically faster and more reliable. Another key feature is the custom dashboards and data visualizations. Sumo Logic provides interactive dashboards for monitoring KPIs, system health, and security postures. You can create real-time charts, heat maps, and trend visualizations using templates or custom widgets tailored to your environment. This improves visibility for technical and non-technical users alike, turning raw log data into easy to understand insights for teams and leadership. Another key feature is the automated alerts and incident response. You can configure threshold-based alerts or anomaly detection triggers that integrate directly with tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, PagerDuty, or ServiceNow. Automate responses powered by webhooks or third-party workflows help teams act quickly. This reduces downtime by enabling proactive monitoring and immediate action when systems behave unexpectedly, improving mean time to detect and mean time to resolution. Another key feature is the security intelligence and compliance monitoring. Sumo Logic supports security monitoring and compliance for PCI/DSS, HIPAA, SOC 2, ISO 27001, and more. Its cloud SIEM capabilities offer threat detection, correlation, and investigation tools built on the same platform as log analytics. This unifies security and operations workflows while ensuring organizations stay compliant and protected against cyber threats, all within a single solution. So, why is Sumo Logic a great choice? Sumo Logic isn't just another logging tool. It's a full stack observability and security analytics platform built for the cloud era. In 2025, as businesses adopt multi cloud strategies, microservices, and edge computing, Sumo Logic stands out for its scalability, speed, and intelligent features that help teams make sense of increasingly complex environments. Its cloud native architecture means there's no infrastructure to manage, and setup is quick with hundreds of free built integrations and collectors. Whether you're a startup scaling fast or a large enterprise managing hybrid workloads, Sumo Logic adapts to your needs without sacrificing performance. What also makes Sumo Logic a great long term investment is its continuous innovation. The platform frequently adds new capabilities like AI assisted anomaly detection, Kubernetes native monitoring, and customizable threat intelligence feeds, keeping your operations modern, agile, and secure. So, whether you're focused on performance, reliability, or security, Sumo Logic gives you the visibility and intelligence to stay ahead. In 2025 and beyond, as IT ecosystems continue to grow in complexity, tools like Sumo Logic will be essential for navigating and managing that complexity effectively. So, if you want to transform your log data into business value, streamline incident response, and support continuous improvement, Sumo Logic is a smart and future proof solution. So, get started today with Sumo Logic and take control of your logs, metrics, and machine data before they take control of you. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.